And still official referee for today's referee, Apatan and referee Donnie. First 5 on Lasal, Bren, Barroso, King James, Peralta, and small but terrible Camus. First 5 on FPU. It's Biray. Let it fly, Belgium. Soto in the ball game. Isidoro and Manalastas. It will be exciting ball game for FPU and Lasal. Good ball, good ball. Now Peralta, King James, card by Isidoro. Nice pass to Peralta, first basket attempt for Lasal. What a pass coming from King James to Peralta, Isidoro. Now Biray, too strong, rebound on small terrible Camus. Now King James, carried by Soto. Now Biray, it's 4-2 to Isidoro, pop a jumper, bang! On Isidoro.
May 150 ka, o 50 lang.
Remind mo ba may second half?
Oo, kaya hatag na ko na nito.
Second half.
Peralta to Barroso. Yes! On Barroso, 4-2. 2-point lead now on Lasal. Isidoro to Biray. Soto. Pass to Isidoro. Out! In and out. Rebound by King James. Now King James looking for the steal on Let It Fly, Kelvin. Let It Fly now. Turnover. On FPU, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. It's LaSalle versus FPU, our second game. For our UAAP. By basketballista, Bren. Nice steal by Bren. O Manalastas. To Let It Fly, Kelvin. Let It Fly. Short. Camus. To Bren. Now it's 4-on-2. King James. Scoop. Barroso. Tingnan natin din. Now Barroso. Nice defense on Soto. Now Biray. Nice stop. Coming from a small terrible Camus. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. It's 4 against 2. LaSalle. One more by Soto. Alley-oop pass coming from Isidoro. Now for all. LaSalle Movers versus FEU Motivation. Now King James, 14 to shoot. Peralta, pay. Isitate, Barroso, 10 to shoot. Yes, on Barroso. 6 more. 2-point lead on LaSalle. Isidoro. Looking for Biray. Biray, favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray. 7-6. Back to 1-point lead on FEU. Now King James. Barroso. Foul. Foul on number 12. On Let It Fly, Kelvin. First on Let It Fly. Second team foul, FEU. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Isidoro. Third team foul against FEU.
James.
Now 7-all. Igual may Paroso.
Vamos.
Camos.
Oh! Tell James.
I stop 6 minutes. This is our second game. It's at EU against LaSalle. Black, 10 to shoot, 10. King James. It's an FPU ball. Turnover on LaSalle. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Biray. Looking for Isidoro. Soto, drive, pass, kick out pass to Biray. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. On Biray. It's 10, 7. 3-point lead on FPU.
Vamos.
Peralta. Looking for King James. Now King James, 10 to shoot. Barroso. Still by Soto. Nice defense on King James. It's 4 minutes and 55 seconds. LaSalle ball, LaSalle. Only 3-point lead on FPU. It's 10 against 7.
Eight.
14 to shoot. Oh, short. Now Biray. It's 3-3. Biray, same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Time out! On LaSalle, it's 13 against 7. It's 8-point lead now on FPU. 6-point lead on FPU. Yeah. Done.
Thank you.
Now, Peralta. Pass to King James. Drive. Black. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Menelastas. First on Menelastas.
First.
13 foul at you.
Kala ko second. Sorry. Kala ko second. First pala.
Now 8 to 13. 5-point lead on FPU. Now Isidoro. Biray. Too strong. Stop. It's LaSalle ball. LaSalle. Nice stop by King James. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Bren. Whoa! What a pass coming up in James. Bren. It's 9 against 13. 9? Who's spotted? Foul on number 2. 22. 13 foul on LaSalle.
Nalasta. Second. 22, sir.
First on King James.
Kontindi.
3 minutes. Fourteen to shoot.
Okay?
Foul. Foul on James. Warning for penalty on Lasal. Second personal foul on King James. Two minutes and 45 seconds. 14 against 9. Back to 5-point lead. On FPU. In and out. Rebound by Barroso. Barroso. Looking for James. James, 40 to shoot. Camos. Yo! Camos! 11 to 14. Back to 3-point lead on FPU. Short. Rebound on Camos. King James. Called by Bray. King James looking for Camos. Camos again. Favorite shot. Airball. One minute and 50 seconds. Keldem. Second fly. Keldem too strong. Rebound by Camos. Now Camos. 1-1 by Bray. Looking for, nice defense on Soto. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Now Soto. Keldem. Isidoro. Biray. Yes on Biray. Now 16 to 11. Back to 5-point lead. On FPU. James, guarded by Isidoro. 1-1 by James. Drive. Barroso. Fake. Barroso. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Barroso. Foul on Soto. Warning for penalty on FPU. First against Soto. Now 14-16. 2-point lead now, FPU. Isidoro. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Isidoro. 40 seconds. Against short. Nice defense on Biray. Biray. Tap by Keldem. Soto. Rubbing violation. 28 seconds. 28. Barroso. King James. 20 seconds. Same ball. 15 seconds. 15. Biray. 5 seconds. Yes on Biray. 21. 14. Basket count on Camos. It's 17 to 21. 4-point lead on FPU. Second quarter ready. Second quarter.
Walang
FPU ball. FPU.
walang laro sa taas niyan? Bakit?
Ayun na kasi. First two.
Ba't ikaw araw-araw? Kasi pag naman tapos Mike. Kasi pag mo
FPU ball, FPU.
Day off ni Madam din.
Anderson. Nice pass. Yes, son Ochoa. 23-17. Back to 6-point lead on FPU. Sugitan. Fernandez. Back to Sugitan.
Aywa.
Traveling violation, traveling.
Lesson number 2.
Nice defense on FPU. Now Soreta. Uno. Cho again. Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Nava. First on Nava. First team foul, Lasal. Soreta. Try. Pass to Cho again. Foul. Foul again on 0-0 on Nava. Two free throw shot coming from Ochoa. Second personal foul on Nava. Second team foul against Lasal. 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Now 24-17. It's 7-point lead on FPU. Sugitan. Traveling violation, traveling violation.
Huli ka, pero di ko lang subitan.
It's back-to-back turnover against Lasal. Warning on number 15 on the late game. Now uno. Anderson. Sugitan. To Sugitan again. Nava. Drive. Nice defense on Soreta. Soreta. 1-1. Anderson, favorite shot. In and out. Ochoa. Yes! On Ochoa. Nava. To Fernandez. Fernandez, open jump. Fernandez, in and out. Oh, Kabala. Back to Nava. Too strong. Anderson. Soreta. Uno. Bang! On uno. 10-point lead now, FPU. Foul. Foul on Castillo. First personal foul on Castillo. First on FPU. Nava. Umali, too strong, foul. Foul on number 6 on Ochoa. First on Ochoa, second team foul FPU. 7 minutes. Sugitan, looking for Umali. 10 to shoot.
Sugitan. Oh.
Ow, short again. It's FPU ball in 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Now uno. In and out, Ochoa. Stop up, looking for Anderson. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson. 30. Against the 17, it's 13-point lead, FPU. Sugitan. 14 to shoot. Short.
Hala. Fernandez. Wala pa din.
Still by Cabana. Foul. Foul on 11 Anderson. First on Anderson, 13 foul. And FPU. Nava. Cabana. Too strong? Yes, Onomale! 19 to 30. It's 11-point lead on FPU. Short. Now Nava. Stop, pump.
Nava.
Short. Tap. Castillo. Now uno.
Oh no.
Bulan natin.
Foul. Foul on 0-0 on Nava. 13 foul on Lasal. Third personal foul on Nava. Warning on Nava for continuous complaining. Warning.
Agawan na kasi yun.
5 minutes, 11 seconds.
O, Hassel tayo, Hassel! Sige, bawin tayo si Pensa! Go! Chop, chop! 3 seconds nga yun, no?
Black. 8 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Bantay muna, bantay!
5. It's Lasal Ball. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. It's 30 against 19. 11-point lead on FPU. Nava.
Wala namang nakashoot.
Cabana. Back to sit down. 10 to shoot. Tap. Sureta. Wow. Turnover on FPU. Timeout. On Lasal. It's 4 minutes and 16 seconds. 30 against 19. All by FPU.
Kaya pa yan! Kunti lang yan, 10 lang yan!
Golisan!
Inbounding Fernandez. Nava. Sugitan. Back to Fernandez. Nava. Cabana. Foul.
8. Castillo.
Foul on Castillo. Warning for penalty at EU.
First Castillo. First Castillo.
First personal foul against Castillo. It's 20 to 30. 10-point lead now, FPU. Against the 31. 9-point lead, FPU. Sureta. Too strong, tap. Now, rebound by Umali. Now, Nava. Nava goes to coast run. Nava. Ah! Basket count and one on Nava. Foul on number 11.
Anderson.
On Anderson. Time out, FPU.
Anderson, second person.
Now, second personal foul on Anderson. FPU now in penalty. This is our second game, our second match for UAAP. Season 4 by Basketballista.
Second. FPU.
Ano?
FPU, nagpaklagan yan. Time out. 3:30.
Basket free throw. Bonus free throw of Nava. 30 against the 23 in 7-point lead now, FPU. Short. Lasal ball, Lasal. Inbounding Sigitan to Fernandez. Nava. Too strong. Top. Soreta. Soreta. Coast. Too strong. Rebound by Nava. Nava and one. Nava guard by Anderson to Fernandez. Fernandez.
Ay! Di ko sure ball eh.
Short. Now Soriano. Now Ochoa. Ochoa. Goes to goal. Top. Soreta. Yes, on Soreta. Now 32 to 23. Back to 9-point lead. On the view. Nava. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Sugitan. Too strong. Rebound by Ochoa. To Anderson. Fernandez. Guarded by Soreta. Fernandez. To Cabana. O'Malley. Nava. Foul.
Uno.
Foul on number 21.
Castillo.
On Castillo.
Second.
Second personal foul on Castillo. Now FPU and penalty. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 32 against the 24. It's 8-point lead now. On FPU. Now 25 to 32. 7-point lead now FPU. Now Uno. Soreta. Too strong. Rebound on Sugitan. Foul. Foul on number 1. On Uno. Penalty rep. Penalty.
Uno.
First on Uno. First. Or on Uno. Now 26 to 32, 6-point lead on FPU. 1 minute and 50 seconds. (27-32), 5-point lead FPU. Now Anderson.
Hassel! Walang easy shot! Yan! Okay!
Soreta. Guarded by Cabana. Soreta escapes. Side set to Soriano. Block by Nava. Nava now to Fernandez. Soriano. 1 minute and 20. Soreta drives. Soreta. Too strong. Ochoa. Too strong again. Rebound on Nava. Whoa. Turnover on Lasal. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 32 against the 27. FU. One minute. Rebound on Yucatan. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Castillo. Penalty up.
Castillo third.
Third personal foul on Castillo. 32 against the 27. Lasal versus FEU RUAAP. Match for basketballista.
Parang hindi halata.
Now 28 to 32, 4-point lead on FEU. 50 seconds. seconds.
Lalasan! Depensa!
40 seconds. 40 to shoot.
Depensa!
Foul.
Kabalo.
Foul on zero on Cabana. Warning for penalty on Lasal. 35 seconds. Oh, Cabana! Twist 2 on 1. Cabana drive. Cabana goes no goals. Cabana 30 against 32. 2-point lead now, FPU. Nice pass. Ochoa again. Block. Mali. Nava. To Sugitan. Fernandez.
Nava.
Nava. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! 10 seconds! Uno! Foul! 5 seconds! Who's fouled up?
Kabalo.
Foul on number 15 on Sugitan. Penalty. Both teams set penalty. 5 seconds. 33 to 32. It's 1 point lead now. On Lasal. Now 33 all. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Now 34, 33.
Tira.
And for second quarter, our score, it's 34 against 33, 1 point lead FPU. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Dapat ko na sa inyo? Nakalimutan ko lang. Nagawa mo sa'yo. Nasa iyo. Punta ko sa'yo. Uy! Punta ko sa'yo.
Third quarter, third quarter.
Friday ba ngayon? Friday ba ngayon? Friday?
FPU ball, FPU.
Lalasan!
8 and 8. Is Kiowa. 8.
Short. Iba ng Simbako.
Yung Zimbabwe.
Barroso. Black. Now Isidoro. Let it fly, Kelvin. Let it fly, drive, let it fly. Too strong.
Yan na sa loob.
10 to shoot, 10. Soto. Yes! Now 36 to 33. Is 6 3-point lead on FPU. Nava, La Piguera. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, La Piguera! 36 all. Isidoro. Now, Sureta. Kadit by Nava. Tap. Too strong. Rebound by Sahor.
Boss Michael lang po. Kanina naman kami nanin. Kasi alis yung 3 points pala sila. Isa lang yung lamang kanina, isa lamang. Apo, half time, isa lang.
Ochoa.
Foul.
Half time, isa lamang, 2 points nyo, 3
O,
points.
33-34.
Foul on number 5. On Suhor. First on Lasal. First team foul. On Suhor. 36 all. It's 8 minutes and 29 seconds. Third quarter. Second game, it's LaSalle versus FEU. Now Soto, 10 to shoot. Isidoro, back to Soto. Romero, 5 to shoot. Sureta, foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. First on Simbaco, second team foul, LaSalle. Sureta, air ball. Now Barroso. Our score, 36 all. Now Nava.
Screen tayo, screen!
Sahor. Paso Simbaco. Block! By Romero. Soto. Now Isidoro. Now Soreta. What a pass coming from Isidoro. Now 38 to 36. 2-point lead FEU.
Dulo! Screen tayo sa top!
Now Nava.
Alex, dulo!
In and out. Now let it fly, Kelvin. To Sureta. Foul. Foul on number 9 on La Figuera. First on La Figuera. Second team foul on LaSalle. 7 minutes. Sureta again. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sureta. 41 to 36. Back to 5-point lead, FEU. Bang! On La Figuera, 38 to 41. Back to 3-point lead, FEU.
Trito tayo, ayan, trito!
Isidoro. Soto. 10 to shoot. Now Sahor. La Figuera. Simbaco. Nava. Yes on Nava. Now 40 to 41. 1-point lead FEU. Now Keljem. Let it fly, Keljem. Let it fly. Yes, let it fly, Keljem. 43 against the 46 minutes. Back to 3-point lead on FEU. Now La Figuera. Nava. Cardi by Isidoro. Nava. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Nava. 43 all. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Isidoro. Short. Rebound on Barroso. Barroso to Sahor. Sahor. Back to Barroso.
Ito yung 3 points kanina? Ha? 3 points? Di 44.
Yes, time out! On FEU, it's 45 to 43. 2-point lead on LaSalle.
Hindi, nawawala ka.
Hindi nga 41 kanina, di
Hindi.
ba?
Kunahin mo nga doon. Bako ka dito. Pahala mo. Ang lagay ko lang doon. Tapos kung saan sa kabisyon, nawawala ka.
45 to 43, it's 2-point lead on LaSalle.
Na ikaw dito, ba't dito ako tumitingin sa'yo? Ikaw yung tumitingin sa akin. Dapat nga ako tumitingin sa'yo. Ano ka dito? Hayaan mo na.
Isidoro.
Gil, kaya pasok!
Now Keljem, let it fly. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. Warning for penalty on LaSalle.
Simbaco, second.
Second personal foul on Simbaco. 14 the set clock. 5 minutes and 13 seconds.
Isidoro.
Soto. Short. Rebound by Barroso. Looking for Nava. 5 minutes. Now, Simbaco to Nava. Nava. 14 to shoot. Barroso. 10. Bang! Bang, Now 48-43. It's 5-point lead on Lasal. Romero. Isidoro. Soret, attempt to shoot. Short. Tap. Nava. It's 2-2. Nava drive. Nava guarding by Sureta. Pass to La Peguera. Bang! La Peguera. It's 15-43. 7-point lead Lasal. 4 minutes. It's a 7-0 run on Lasal. Get them. Foul.
Simbaco.
Who's fouled up? Foul again on number 8 on Simbaco. Now Lasal on penalty.
Simbaco, third personal foul.
Basket substitution tayo. Basket substitution. It's 50-43. 7-point lead now Lasal. Basket substitution. Short. Now Nava. Barroso again. Now top. Soto. Oh, Keljim. Let it fly. Substitution rep, sub. Substitution. It's 3 minutes and 37 seconds, third quarter. Our second game, LaSalle versus FEU. 14 to shoot. Baros, oh, Simbago! Short! Simbago again! Short! Rebound on Ochoa! Ochoa to Soto. Now Soto. Drive, Soto, pass to Keldem. Oh, substitution rep, sub-rep. Baroso out, Baroso. 3 minutes. Substitution rep, sub. It's 50-43, 7-point lead on LaSalle. Anderson, hey! Short. Tap by Soto. Anderson again. 3 minutes. Bang! On Anderson. 45-50. 5-point lead on LaSalle. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Nava. Tula Peguera. Simbaco. Zigzag Simbaco. Foul. Foul on Romero. Penalty rep. Oh no, first team foul. Substitution of substitution. First team foul on FEU. First team foul on Romero. 2 minutes 46 seconds. It's 50 against 45. All by LaSalle. Now 51-45. 6-point lead on LaSalle. Now Soto. Anderson. Hey. 14 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Bren to James. Foul. Foul on Ochoa. Second team foul on FEU.
Ochoa second.
Second personal foul against Ochoa. Now King James. Tula Figuera.
Screen tayo, screen!
Sahor. Bren. Short. Soto. Yes, son Anderson, it's 47-51. Double D1, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now Soto. Same ball. 1 minute and 30. Steal by Sahor. La Pegera. It's FPU ball, FPU. 1 minute 16. It's FPU ball.
Umamasa dyan.
Foul.
Bren.
Foul on Bren. Penalty.
Bren first.
It's 51 against 247. 1 minute and 6 seconds. La Peguera. Simbaco. 2 on 1. Simbaco. Yes, ang Simbaco. 53 to 47.
Baba. Tayo, baba, depensa. Depensa muna.
Hintay mo ito. Hintay mo ito.
Third? Wala. Wala pang third.
Oh! Soto! 35 seconds. Oh! King James! 25 seconds.
Ah!
15! 10 seconds!
Nice one. Yan! Yung!
And now, for third quarter, our score is 55 against 49. 6-point on Lasal. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, Lasal, and FPU. Fourth quarter! It's Lasal ball, Lasal. Inbound ni Nava. Hernandez, back to Nava. Barroso, Umali. Now Biray to Sureta. Biray. Too strong. Nice pass to Chowa, Manilastas. Too strong. Rebound on Barroso. Nava. Hernandez. Foul. Foul on Biray. First team foul at you. First personal foul against Biray. Hernandez. 10 to shoot. Black. 5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot.
Box.
Sherman! Woo! Shut the ball!
24 shot clock violation. 24 shot clock violation. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice defense against FPU. Now Sureta. Too strong by Castillo. Back to Manalastas. Castillo. Oh! Steal by O'Malley. Now Nava. To Barroso.
Shot, shot, shot!
Short! Umali! Barroso, time to shoot!
Screen tayo, screen! Screen na lang!
5!
Ang back, shoot, shot!
Ay!
Kayo po, taas kayo.
Nice!
Shot!
Oh! Barroso, 57 to 49. It's 8-point lead against FEU and LaSalle.
Anang shooter! Anang shooter!
Soreta. Bang! Time out! On LaSalle.
Time out kayo, hindi.
Time out, chef. Time out, LaSalle. Usmalet. Foul on number 15 on Sugitan.
Sugitan. Second.
Second personal foul on Sugitan. First on LaSalle, it's 51. Against the 57, it's 6-point lead on LaSalle. It's FEU ball, FEU. Campana. Foul. Foul on Ochoa. Second team foul, FEU.
Ochoa, third.
Third personal foul against Ochoa.
Shot, double!
Nava.
Solasan!
Dalawa!
Bren.
Balik!
James. 10 to shoot. 10. 5.
Forma, forma! Shot!
Nice!
Bang! On La Peguera. 59 to 51. Yes, on Soraka. 53 to 59. 6-point lead on LaSalle. Now on Nava.
Shot! Rebound! Nice! Rebound!
Oh,
Nice!
kinuha.
Shot! Kuha pa yan! Oh, shot!
10 to shoot. 10. Soreta, foul. Foul on number 22. Substitution reps out. On King James. Second team foul LaSalle. Sub reps up.
James, third person.
Third personal foul against King James. Substitution rep. Six minutes and 21 seconds. Soreta. Bang! On Soreta. 59 to 55. It's 4-point lead now, LaSalle. 6 minutes.
Box! Box!
Traveling violation. Fourth level request. 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Fourth quarter. Last game. It's LaSalle versus FEU. RUAAP. Season 4 by Pasin Labiray. In and out. Rebound by James. To La Peguera. 1-1. La Peguera. Nava. Pick. Drive. Foul. Foul again on number 36 on Diray. 13 foul on FEU.
Diray, second.
Second personal foul on Diray. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Barroso. King James. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 21
21, fourth person.
on Castillo. Fourth on Castillo. Warning on Castillo. Fourth foul. Basket substitution na rin. Basket substitution.
Shot! Nice!
60 to 55. Back to 5-point team Lasal. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Basket substitution.
Shot! Nice one! Ilak!
Substitution rep. Sub rep. 5 minutes.
Sub.
Sub rep. Sub.
Friend.
Tarong ka, sugitan! Shot!
Nice friend.
Subitan.
Labas!
King James. 10 to shoot. Rebound on Soto. Tomiray. Back to Loretta. Sureta. Black! Nava! Nava now. Guarded by Ochoa. Nava. Looking Lepedera. Subitan. Too strong. Tap. Ochoa. Now Keljem, let it fly. Keljem. Short. Rebound on Barroso. Nava. Tap by Ochoa. Soto. Foul. Foul on King James. It's 13 foul on Lasal.
Kailan, James?
James Ford.
Fourth on James. Warning on James. 4 minutes and 22 seconds. It's 60 against 55. 5-point lead on Lasal. Soto. 1-1 may Barroso. Ochoa. Rebound by James. Barroso. 4 minutes.
Dalawa.
Opo.
14 to shoot. 10. 5. Short. Lamigana. Short again. Short. Foul.
Who's foul?
Foul on number 8 on Barroso. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Time out on Lasal.
Rep, anong tawag ron eh? Pushing power? Hindi lang ako. Dalawa nga lang sila eh. Nakakumping nga.
Tactical!
3 minutes and 39 seconds.
Kailan tayo utilize?
Oo. Dalawa sa kanila.
Both teams. Isa lang timeout yun. Lasal 1 timeout. At EU 2 timeouts. Now FPU is warning for penalty. Now Sureta. Foul. Foul on number 9 on La Peguera. Warning for penalty on Lasal. Both teams now warning for penalty.
La Figuera,
Dalawa pa po, time out.
La Figuera second.
Second personal foul on La Peguera. 10 to shoot.
Strike.
Foul. Basket count and 1 on Sureta. Foul on number 22 on King James. King James, 5 fouls on King James. Now Lasal on penalty. Bonus free throws, Sureta.
Sinyo!
Simba ko na naman.
Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. Penalty rep, penalty.
Simba ko third.
Third personal foul on Simbaco. 2 free throw shots. Goes Castillo. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. 3-point lead on Lasal. It's 60 against the 57.
Boss, meron isang player dito hindi naglaro. Pwede ba yun? Kwan yan eh. Kwan din. Injury daw siya eh.
Shot! Shot ba? Oh, hangin. Shot!
Soreta.
Kill James. Ay,
Oh! Soreta, 59 against 60. It's 1-point lead on Lasal. Never foul. Foul on Soreta. Penalty rep. Penalty.
Yan na sulat.
First personal foul on number 23 on Soreta. Both teams now. And penalty. Now 61 to 59. It's 2-point lead on Lasal. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Now 63, 62 to 59.
Parang tayo. Walang shot. Sige. 2 minutes na lang. Luwag.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Soto, 14 to shoot. Yes, on Kelden now, 61 to 62. La Peguera. 2 minutes and 10. Nava. La Peguera. Oh, La Peguera. 64 to 61. 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista.
Balik.
Oh, foul. Basket count and 1 on a technical foul.
Counted.
Counted and technical foul on Simbaco. It's 64 to 63. 1-point lead on Lasal.
si Bako fourth personal foul.
Word on Simbaco. Warning on Simbaco.
Last yan, last.
Time out on Lasal. Lasal have no timeout left. Lasal, FEU have 2 timeouts. Both teams rep penalty. Both teams.
Oh, my goodness. I'm dead. It's red flag.
1 minute and 50 seconds. 4 teams to shoot.
Box.
Wala naman timeout ha.
Oh, sige. Sikas na lang naman yan eh. Box! Last 2 minutes. Box! Hawak.
Steve by Castillo.
Ay, nako.
Now Soto.
ISO.
Soreta, 14 to shoot.
Kill James!
Too
Ah!
strong. Barroso. Foul. Foul on number 12 on Kilden. Penalty. It's only 1-point lead on LaSalle. It's 64 to 63. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Last quarter.
Rebound, subitan. Randis.
Now, 65 to 63, 2-point lead on LaSalle. It's 1 minute and 28 seconds.
Gamit lang ito.
Fernandez.
Gamit lang.
Fernandez. Fernandez.
Dalawa ba?
66 to 63. Sorata. Carried by Biray. Back to Keljem. 14 to shoot. 14. Foul. Foul on 0-0. Nava.
Kailan na ba?
Second.
Fourth na ba?
Fourth on Nava.
Ano pa yan? Ano shoot yan? Kanina pa yan. Ba't ay mo? Fourth. Lagi mo fourth.
Warning on Nava. Fourth personal foul on Nava. 66 to 64. Now 66 to 65. 1 point lead on Lasal. Lapagera.
Kalasundot.
Guarded by Biray. Oh! Biray. Keljem. Short. Rebound on Nava. 50 seconds. Short. Now Soto. Keljem. Black. Foul. Time out on FEU.
43 seconds.
Foul on Sugitan. Wala ball game. 43 seconds. 66 against to 65. Both teams and penalty.
Sugitan third.
Third personal foul on Sugitan. 43 seconds. 43. Seconds. It's only 1 point lead on Lasal. 66 against the 65. Now 66 all 66.
It's a tie. Still game.
It's a tie ball game. 43 seconds. Now 67, 66.
Wala susundot.
Foul. Foul on number 25 on Soto. Second personal foul on Soto. Both teams now, penalty 67-66. 1 point lead now, FEU. Oh, short! 41 seconds! 1 point lead now, FEU. Oh, time out! On FEU, it's 68-67. 1 point lead now on Lasal.
Wala na silang ganun.
It's 39 seconds.
Parang championship ah.
68-67. 1 point lead now, Lasal. 14 to shoot, 14. The set, like 14. Oh, Soraka. 69-68.
Dito muna, dito.
30 seconds.
Uy, hawak ko! Uli!
Shut the fire!
Yeah! Against Susan 91. Nawala mo,